dear learners, welcome to INNOVATE teaching channel. In this video, we are going to discuss a concept of philosophy, which is branches of philosophy. The philosophical content has been organized around three fundamental categories, which are basically the branches of philosophy. They are categorized as metaphysics, epistemology, and axiology. Come on, let's discuss them one by one. First, metaphysics. Metaphysics is a branch of philosophy which is related to the study of questions concerning the nature of reality or existence. The term metaphysics is derived from the Greek words meta and physica. Meta means beyond, upon, or after, and physica means physics. Literally, metaphysics refers those things after the physics. Let's see the typical metaphysical questions. What is reality? Does God exist? And if so, can we prove it? The problem of evil. Are human actions free? Or are they determined by some forces outside of our control? Do minds or souls exist? Or are humans simply complex physical objects? What is time? What is the meaning of life? Is there life after death? These are all few of the typical metaphysical questions. Next, epistemology. Epistemology is a branch of philosophy that is concerned with the study of nature of knowledge and scope of knowledge and how these are attained and evaluated. Epistemology has been derived from the Greek words episteme and logos. Episteme meaning knowledge or understanding, and logos meaning the study of. In other words, we can say that epistemology is the study of the nature. Let's see a few of the typical epistemological questions. What is knowledge and how does it differ from belief or opinion? What is truth and how can we know if a statement is true? What are the sources of knowledge? Do absolutes exist? And if so, can we know them? What is the relationship between faith and reason? Next, axiology. Axiology is the branch of philosophy which is concerned with the study of question of value. Axiology, which stems from two Greek words, axios and logos. Axios means value, worth, and logos means reason or theory or symbol or science or study of. Hence, axiology is a philosophical study of value, and value originally meant the worth of something. Axiology deals with issues of value in the following areas: A. Ethics, B. Aesthetics, C. Social or political philosophy. Let's see these three areas in detail. First, ethics. Ethics is the study of moral principles, attempts to establish rational grounds for good conduct, good behavior. Few of the typical ethical questions are: what is good or bad? What is right or wrong? What is the foundation of moral principles? Are moral principles universal? This comes under typical ethical questions. Next, social or political philosophy. It is a study of value judgments operative in civil society. Few of the typical societal or political philosophical questions are: what form of government is best? What economic system is best? What is justice? Are we obligated to obey all laws of the state? What is the purpose of government? Finally, let us conclude this video by discussing aesthetics. Aesthetics is the study of nature and value of works of art and the aesthetic experience. Few of the typical aesthetic questions were: what is a work of art? What is artistic creativity and how does it differ from scientific creativity? Why are works of art considered to be more valuable? What do works of art communicate, if anything else? What is beauty? Does art have any moral obligations or constraints? Yes. Okay, learners. I am signing off. Take care. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys.
Click the bell icon to get latest notifications. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and stay tuned to our INNOVATE teaching channel.